Good morning, friends. Welcome to today's class. Let's start the day's class with a quote. Winners don't do different things. Winners do things differently. Today we will be discussing a brief of the nutrition in human, the digestive glands and the secretions, location and functions. Here it goes. Starting from first part, mouth, the part of alimentary canal. Salivary gland secretes saliva, locate the cheeks. Salivary amylase converts carbohydrates into glucose. And the food is called bolus in mouth after chewing. It will be passed through the stomach, next part, through peristalsis. The food pipes having the connection with mouth and stomach, specialized with muscles for contraction and relaxation. Coming to the stomach with the gastric glands, wall of the stomach which contains gastric juice. It contains inactive form of enzymes prorenin, pepsinogen, HCl and mucus. Coming to the function of HCl, it kills the bacteria. It activates the inactivated pepsin and pepsinogen into pepsin and renin, which will be the protein digesting enzymes converting proteins into amino acids. The mucus protects the stomach wall from HCl, and it also provides the HCl and acidic medium to the enzyme to act. Coming to the next part, that is duodenum, which is having the secretion of liver and pancreas together by hepatopancreatic duct. The pancreas contains 3 enzymes. The bile contains no enzymes, which helps in emulsification, that is the breaking down of fats into tiny fat globules to become emulsified fats. And the pancreatic juice contains pancreatic amylase, pancreatic lipase and pancreatic protease, which will be converting carbohydrates into glucose, proteins into amino acids, emulsified fats into fatty acids and glycerol by pancreatic amylase and lipase and proteins. So finally to the intestine, having the intestinal glands at the walls of the intestine, it secretes intestinal juice, which again converts emulsified fats. The intestinal lipase will be converting it into fatty acids and glycerol. The intestinal proteins are converted by intestinal protease into amino acids. And the end product of digestion, the glucose, amino acids, fatty acids and glycerol, will be absorbed by a special finger-like structure called a villus. And the lacteate, the structure is shown here, which will help in absorption. So after absorption, it moves to the large intestine, which absorbs the excess water and undigested food, and through anus it will be expelled out. This is the brief of the digestion in human, and the 3 phases: buccal digestion, stomach digestion and intestinal digestion, with the respective glands, location and their secretions. Okay, so 7 equations for digestion in brief. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.